Today I'm going to show you how to turn this cute gingerbread shape into a Santa cookie. I started by using an edible black marker to sketch some details onto the cookie to show me where I wanted certain elements of his jacket and his features to be. To decorate this cookie, I'll be using red and white royal icing in both flood and detail consistency. I'll be using a thick black flood and gold detail consistency. I'll begin by piping Santa's belt. I wanted to have the most time to dry because I'll be adding a gold buckle at the end. Using outline consistency, I will come in and outline the areas of the jacket, the white, and then the red. Now I'm ready to flood the jacket with red. And I'll add a little cap. Using detail consistency, I'll begin filling in the white areas. Notice that I'm not using flood here because I want it to have texture like fur. Now I'll move on to his beard and his mustache. Then I'll add a little black dot for his nose. Now I'll add eyes and bushy white eyebrows. Then I'll move on to the boots. Santa has to have black boots. The last touch is this little gold buckle.